Valens Research, Uniform Financial Analytics.
PerkinElmer make diagnostic equipment, et cetera, for the pharma and life sciences space. And when we look at this business, just intuitively, when you think about it, you would expect it to be a good high growth business just based on what's going on in their space overall, as we wait, of course, for the uniform accounting charts to load. But what you actually see is you don't see, when you're looking at the as reported metrics, a good stable growth business the last few years. You see a company with really volatile growth that you can't trust. You see a company that has had returns, the asset growth go from 3% to 42% to negative 2%. That's a company that you'd say, you know what, I can't really trust that growth. I can't model growth for this business because it's all over the place. This is not a real growth business. They had a 1 year surge in growth in that. In reality, what we can see is this company over the last few years has had pretty stable 5 to 6% growth, the kind of growth that you can start to anchor on. On top of that, returns haven't been declining from 4.5% to 4%. They took a massive step up in 2018 from 2017 levels. Returns are accelerating their improvement, and the company is a stable growing business. That's a different conversation when we're looking at the business. And so if we actually look at that and we say, hey, we think that 6% is a trustable number, the market's misunderstanding this company's growth. Well, that means that the market, for this to be a 6% growth name, just needs returns to remain flat at 2018 levels for this company to be fairly valued. But if you think this company is going to continue to grow and see returns expand, right, see a new plateau shift up to 24% or so, you might even say this company is undervalued. Now, we look at this company, I would say probably the market has it right now, to be perfectly frank. But if you thought the company could do this, it'd be 20% upside. You know, the company could continue to see returns inflect up to 26%. You're looking at probably 30% or so upside. And these are the kind of conversations that you can have when you're looking at the right numbers. But otherwise, you'd be looking at contrarian indicators in terms of what's going on for a business. You would literally misunderstand PerkinElmer's profitability trends.
Valens Research, the world's leading source for uniform financial analytics.